good farming, just like the ambassador was advising you to do. You want to see really good farming, go to Kapchora if you want to see horticulture, onions and barley. That's where real farms are. If you want to see fish and honey, go to Lango region. But if you want to see coffee and bananas, banana plantations which are real, Masaka is the place.
If one crop is able to bring in $2 billion per year, it shows you the importance and significance of agriculture. It is not coffee alone. Other crops are picking up. Tea is picking up. Cocoa is doing quite well. And of course, the dairy sector. Salute government of Uganda, because this high increase in coffee production was a deliberate project by government. This is a big achievement to the coffee farmers, but it's also a big achievement to the country, because the country earns and the farmers earn, and therefore the country benefits. And we salute again New Vision as a reliable newspaper. It's good also to be reliable in promoting agriculture.
We believe that if we do this, it will spur the others to turn around and improve their operations. And we all know that if the cooperatives work well, ultimately it is the farmers and of course the country that is going to benefit.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.